Today, we're tackling a common stereotype that often misrepresents both men and women. The idea that every man is after sex and every woman is after money. Let's break this down and look at the reality. We often hear phrases like, men only want one thing, or women are just after your wallet. But are these stereotypes really accurate? Not at all. Let's dive into why these misconceptions don't hold true for everyone. First, let's talk about men. While sexual attraction is a natural part of any relationship, it's not the only thing men are interested in. Many men seek deep emotional connections, companionship, shared interests, and a sense of partnership. They value trust, respect, and genuine love just as much as anyone else. Relationships are multifaceted. Men, like women, look for partners who they can connect with on multiple levels, emotionally, intellectually, and spiritually. The stereotype that men are only after sex simplifies and unfairly limits their desires. Now let's address the stereotype about women. While financial stability can be a factor in choosing a partner, it's far from the only consideration. Women, too, seek emotional connection, shared values, love, and mutual respect. They're looking for partners who can provide emotional support, companionship, and love. Women want partners who they can build a future with, share dreams with, and who will stand by them through life's ups and downs. The idea that women are solely after money is a gross oversimplification of their true desires. Every relationship is unique, and the reasons why people choose their partners vary widely. Both men and women look for qualities like kindness, loyalty, intelligence, and a sense of humor, traits that go far beyond sex or money. It's crucial to remember that generalizations can be harmful. They reduce people to one-dimensional characters and ignore the complexity of human relationships. Most people, regardless of gender, are looking for meaningful connections and a partner to share their life with. Understanding and respecting individual desires is key. Not every man is driven by the pursuit of sex, and not every woman is driven by financial gain. People are complex, and their motivations in relationships reflect that complexity. So, the next time you hear these stereotypes, remember that they don't capture the full picture. Everyone's looking for something different in a partner, and that's what makes relationships so rich and varied. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What qualities do you look for in a relationship? See you in the next video.